Mars by Carter. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is nearest to Earth. We don't know who discovered Mars, but we do know that it is named after a Roman god of war. In 1877, an astronomer named Asaph Hall discovered that Mars had two moons. The moons were called Phobos, meaning fear, and Deimos, meaning panic. They were named after the sons of Mars, the god of war. Deimos is about 9 miles long and 7 miles wide. These moons are not round, but are shaped like potatoes. Mars is very cold and dry. Mars is colder than Earth because it is farther away from the sun. Clouds are made of carbon dioxide. The clouds create dry ice. Mars's atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide. There are windstorms on Mars that make the dust move over the whole planet. Mars was once very hot inside. On Mars, there are craters, mountains, volcanoes, plains, and valleys. There are many volcanoes on Mars's surface. Olympus is one of the 4th giant volcanoes. Mount Olympus is the biggest mountain on Mars, maybe even the biggest in the whole solar system. There are 3 other large volcanoes called Arsai Mons, Pavonis Mons, Ascraeus Mons. Lava covers most of the land. A huge valley called the Valles Marineris is in the southern part of Mars. It is about 3,000 miles long. The substance that forms the polar ice on Mars is frozen carbon dioxide. There is no water on Mars. In 1971, the Mariner 9 got close to Mars, and the pictures show that there is no life on Mars. Mars has a year of 687 Earth days. There are 24 hours and 37 minutes in a day, and there are 54,000 miles per hour in its orbit. Mars shines reddish orange. Mars is red with white polar ice and dark spots, and it has a cloud. Mars is half the size of Earth. The Earth on Mars is red because there is twice as much iron as we have on Earth.